The Royal Sovereign RSL 2702 is a 27-inch desktop roll laminator, great for both hot and cold lamination and mounting. It features convenient digital controls, independently heated silicone rollers, and customizable setup memory channels. The RSL 2702 comes equipped with two independently heated silicone rollers that provide top quality lamination and mounting finishes. The front table is removable, making it easy to maneuver around the rollers. The protective cover will keep your hands and clothes away from the rollers. Built-in safety switches will keep the rollers from running when either the front table is removed or the protective cover is lifted. The digital control panel allows you to adjust the hot-cold setting, temperature levels, laminating speeds, and the memory channels. The convenient quick notch system allows you to easily and quickly adjust the gap of the rollers. Change from the laminating setting to the max 1/4 inch mounting setting in just seconds. The top and bottom removable roll film bars make it very easy and simple to change roll film. The RSL 2702 can accommodate 1-inch, 2.25-inch, and 3-inch cores. Both top and bottom roller shafts have tension adjusters that will tighten the film roll, ensuring wrinkle-free, flat lamination. The included rear cutter allows users to easily cut off laminating material as it exits the rear of the machine. The RSL 2702 is a high-quality, economically priced dual hot and cold laminator that's easy to use and provides professional finishes every time. Backed by 25 years of experience, the RSL 2702 is a smart option for today's print